I'm Tari Thompson. I'm with Cummings and Company Real Estate, and I want to talk to you about one of my listings that is just a lovely home. It's a Rambler in one of the neighborhoods in the 21207 area code. Let me tell you a little bit about the neighborhood. The neighborhood has a wonderful civic association, but without an HOA. Also, we have a brand new grocery store, just maybe 6 years or so old, and we have a golf course. It's a lovely neighborhood, and I think you'd really like it. So we're going to go in, and I'm going to just show you some of the highlights of the house, and I think you'll want to come and have a look at it. So let's go inside. So you enter into a spacious living room, and as you can see, the hardwood floors have been recently sanded and restained to a beautiful warm color. And then from the living room, you continue forward into the formal dining room. So I want you to have a look over here to the right. Over here you have 2 bedrooms, but I want you to pay particular attention to the brand new bathroom. Beautifully done, spacious, and with the beautiful high-level luxury tile on the floors. Here in the kitchen, we also have the luxury tile flooring, and we have a brand new electric range. Here in the basement, we have a wonderful space for playtime, or for homework, or for your hobby shop, whatever you want to use it for, you have plenty of space. We also have down here a 3rd bedroom. You can use this as a bedroom. It has a wonderful walk-in closet, or you could use it as an office or study. And follow me over here to the 2nd bathroom, which is also brand new, with beautiful marble countertop, luxury vinyl flooring, and a beautiful stand-up shower. And now, this is a wonderful treat. Let's have a look at this landscaping and also this amazing backyard. So as you come out into the backyard, first of all, you notice that there is a ramp, which is wonderful if you have mobility challenges or if you just want an easy way to get the groceries into the house. You'll see that the house has a brand new HVAC system, electric, air conditioning, and heating. And isn't the fencing amazing? When we think about the landscaping, over here on the right-hand side of the yard, you have beautiful Japanese maple trees that will grow to be absolutely fabulous and give you wonderful shading in the backyard. And along with that, we look over to the left and you have a 1-car garage, and outside the garage, there is also an additional parking pad. So this property is on the market for $350,000. I think you'll agree with me that that is a wonderful price for such a wonderful home. So come on and have a look at it. Again, my name is Tari Thompson. I'm with Cummings and Company Real Estate. My number is 202-744-4928. It's time to get your keys and change your address.